Hello guys, andito tayo ngayon sa Cabuco, 13 Martires, Cavite, and we are inside Villa Verde subdivision guys, no. So this is affordable housing, pero as you can see guys, napaka-classy tingnan ng ating mga units, no. So yan yun guys. So yan yung mga units natin na binibenta. And more or less nasa 2 million lang yung total contract price natin. No? Sobrang aliwalas, no? Sobrang ang lalaki din ng mga nung road, no? Ayan, no? And also, each unit meron siyang kasamang solar panels, guys. Sobrang laking tipid para sa mga mamamayang Pilipino na nagtitipid ng kuryente, no? So, i-check natin ngayon ang ating model unit. Let's go. So, this is actually the actual turnover unit, guys. So, ito yung parking space mo. Napaka-generous din ng area. And also, upon entry, so this is your living and dining. So as you can see guys, kasama na yung tiles sa turnover. No? Ganda. And then moving forward, you have here your dirty kitchen or your service area. And also, meron tayo ditong toilet and bath sa may ground floor. Kinakalock lang siya. No? And what I love about this unit is yung layout niya na square. Kaya nagmumukha siyang, nagmumukha siyang malaki. And yan yung road guys, going to Tagaytay. Anong name ng road Ben? Hindi pa natin alam. Basta may road, may access road dyan, going to Indang and Tagaytay. So very accessible siya guys. So i-check natin yung second floor. Let's go. So sa second floor guys, you have 2 bedrooms. No? So this is your bedroom 1. And also, you have here your bedroom 2. Alright. Okay, so guys, if you have, and then meron ka ditong glass na floor to ceiling. So kita natin guys yung ating mga kapitbahay. Pwede natin lagyan ng curtain yan. But this will be a source of natural light. No? So if you have questions or clarifications, comment down below or message us through Viber, WhatsApp, or Telegram. Thank you!